Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Lucidity for All. My name is Youri Zaritski, as you know already probably. If not, please subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss on my upcoming content. And the upcoming content is genius because it's free and you're gonna learn how to shift into lucid dreams and astral projections on your own before the year end 2022. So we have the whole program that has already started. The first video was about the dream memory, and today's subject is gonna be how to plant the seed of the shift and what does it mean. So that will be the easiest technique for you to achieve a lucid dream or astral projection. So let's dive directly into the subject. What do I call the seed of the shift, or the shift's seed? The seed is simply the idea of you having a lucid dream or astral projection. Do not forget that since many years, since you are born, before you come to see me or before you picked up the first book about lucid dreaming or astral projection, you have not been thinking about it. The idea of having such an experience was not inside your mind. So many teachers actually are aware of that, and just the fact that you come to learn from someone, or you start to open a book about the subject, or you watch a video about the subject, is an action of planting the seed of the idea of having the experience inside your mind. And that can be considered as a technique on its own, because you will have a lucid dream or astral projection for free, in the sense that you do not have to do so much efforts. So that just the idea of you watching this video with me today could be producing results tonight or in coming nights, provided that the idea has been planted deep inside you. So that brings us to how to reinforce the seed of the shift, how to reinforce this idea of you having a lucid dream or astral projection. Repetition could be one of the ways. So during the day, just think about the idea. What would you do in a lucid dream? Are you going to fly? Are you going to visit somebody who passed away? Or somebody who is far away from you that you want to visit during your nighty adventures, etc. By keeping thinking about this experience, you are planting your seed deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper inside your mind, and that's what we want to do. So any time of the day is good to think about the idea of a lucid dream, astral projection, of the shift, like I like to call it, and I like to do it in the middle of the night. So I think it's a very strategic moment of doing it. So you wake up in the middle of the night, you had a dream, a usual dream that was not lucid, but you plant the idea at that moment, okay, the next dream that is gonna come is gonna be lucid. So that's probably the most strategic time of planting the seed of lucidity, the seed of the shift. Okay, and so that's the idea, and many teachers, I think, more or less consciously using it to their advantage. If you come to a workshop, for example, and you spend 2-3 days with the guy, and I experienced this with my students, who report, okay, we have habitual classes, regular classes, and then after the class many of them report having the shifts into lucid dreams, astral projections. And the reason for that is simply you focus on the idea. So you are planting those little seeds. Tonight I'm going to have I'm going to have an astral projection, out of body experience, lucid dream, etc., etc. Okay, so the more time you spend on the subject, the more chances of you dreaming about it. Of course, you could be it could be a false result too. You could be dreaming about having a lucid dream, but the simple way of knowing it is, do you know that you are dreaming? So if you know that you are dreaming, the result is achieved. And even more so, if you are taking deliberate actions and you do not feel as a victim in front of the dreamscape or the dream scenarios. I give you an example. Let's say you are running away from the lion, but you have your lucidity rising so high that you understand that nothing can hurt you. You turn around and you meet the lion, and the lion is maybe not capable even to bite you, or you realize that lion is not biting you, or if in biting you, it's not painful. It's just an example. You can extrapolate. Okay, so yeah, plant that seed. Watch this video maybe a few times to plant that seed deeper inside you. Read a book, watch a video. Think about this for a few times during the day. Extreme practice, I didn't like it so much. You could be, you know, repeating a mantra. I did some time ago, very long time ago. I took a piece of paper and I was writing, I am a dreamer, I am a dreamer, I'm a lucid dreamer, I'm lucid, you know, in a positive way. You have to say things in a positive way, writing down, just to plant the idea. But I think we don't need to go to such an extreme. You know, sometimes you think about something in the evening and you dream about it. It's as simple as that. It doesn't have to be complicated. So I wouldn't go to more complicated than what I just told you at the beginning of the video. Alright guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, so subscribe, because before the year end, we are on a row of about 15 to 20 videos. One video per week, or two videos per week, for you to learn with me. It's all free, and of course feel free, if you are in a hurry or you want to support my work, go to the website. I will give the link downstairs, and you can purchase the full program where all these things are already in place, already explained. It's a video course you can learn right away. You are about 3-4 hours of focused attention for you to watch the videos, the video course. You can communicate back with me, I always reply, and you are good to go. So feel free to show some support or accelerate your learning curve by getting getting my courses. You can get the 3 modules. In 3 modules you will have absolutely all the information, I can assure you about this. And yeah, so that's it, and see you soon in the next video. All right, and at least leave a small like, so I know you enjoy what I'm doing. That is a good boost for my work. Okay guys, I don't say goodbye. See you soon.